Okay, so this week I've been prepping for mocap, both facial and body. So this MB Lab character, as I've stated in a different week, has blend shapes, also known as shape keys, associated with it, its face and so on. See, it's example, a blink or whatever. And to get it working properly with a facial motion capture markerless camera system, whether it be iPhone or a different program, you have to generate the proper blend shapes. So I made a chart, which just took hours, quite a few hours to make. Um, Trying to map the blend shapes that this comes with and combine them as needed to form the blend shapes I'll need for my facial motion capture test with a Xbox Connect. I should be doing this within the next couple days. I was planning to do it already, but this mapping took a whole lot longer than I expected. Okay, so that was the first thing I did. The second thing that I did for this week was I got the Rococo Smart Suit Pro. I immediately ran into a problem with my desktop computer where I was having this issue, which is the camera would have an infinite focus. Not infinite focus. Basically, this here is supposed to focus on the character, and for some reason my desktop computer had some kind of conflict with being able to keep it focused on the character, keep jumping like that. Um, so I emailed one of the guys that helped buy this, and he sent me to this article which fixed the problem. It basically had me go into this and then delete a little line of text, some advanced feature or something that's unnecessary. But I've also been having another issue with Rococo, the Smart Suit, which I've been trying to get addressed. So far, the tech support from Rococo has been pretty good. They have this page where you can start a ticket to find out more information. So I sent them a video explaining what was going wrong. Like the bone structures are not being imported correctly, and essentially, you have the good Rococo mocap data, but it's distorting the characters when trying to, apply this to that. And yeah, there's some kind of issue going on. As you can see, I have the videos as unlisted. I can give you links if you want to the actual videos. And after talking with them, resolved the problem to a degree, but not completely. Okay. So he mentioned that the automatic bone direction was not set, he suspected, which was true. So I fixed that, and so the bone directions are correct, and I gave them an example where this is Mixamo data from online, this is Rococo data in the Mixamo format, and I get this weird twistedness when trying to bring the Rococo data to the Mixamo character. I don't run into this issue when using online Mixamo data, which should be very similar to the Rococo. So basically this week I got the suit. I've been running into errors regarding how to take the motion capture data from Rococo Studios, which is this, and bringing it into Unreal and Blender. So I'm trying to figure that out, and I'm trying to finish the preparations for the facial motion capture. I'm just going to show you the suit real quick because I'm sure, you might be curious. I would be. So they don't ship with a battery, but this is the battery that they recommend. It's USB. Okay, so there's a calibration process that needs to go on, which is just this button here. Stand pose. Oh wait, no. Before I can calibrate, I just need to take the suit and put it on the profile. So I just realized I forgot to put the headband on. Anyway, the headband I'm just going to skip this time. Basically, you can get head rotation with the headband, but I'd have to take the suit off to get it out, so I'm not going to bother. Okay, I'm just going to redo the calibration because I might have messed up. Okay, so as you can see, I can spin, I can make big expressions, I can jump. That's it. We can talk. So, how was your day? Anyway, so as you can see, this suit works rather well, and the process of doing the animation should be fairly quick. And they have really great cleanup tools for, say there was any foot beneath the ground problems, which right now it's actually pretty good. So anyway, so as you can see, the suit works well. I do get head rotation if I had the bands, but the band's in the back of the suit right now, and I didn't want to bother taking it out. Just trying to see, because it doesn't have finger animation. They're coming out with gloves, but probably not in time for the thesis project, so I'll have to animate the fingers by hand. Anyway, I figure I'd show it. So this coming week, I'm hoping will be my last week of major preparation before I start actually making the environments that I need for the thesis project in Unreal Engine, and I'm hoping this week will be the last week until I have all the motion capture issues related to Rococo and bringing it into Unreal Engine and bringing it into Blender dealt with. You see there's a little bit of drift that just went on there. It needs to be recalibrated every so often, supposedly. Anyway, yeah, so, what else was there? Yeah, so I have to deal with a lot, this week, anyway. Get the facial motion capture working, and then I can, deal with character designs the week after environment design, if everything goes well. And we'll see. Anyway, that's it for